Okay, good morning students, second PUC students. Okay, yesterday started the tangent and normals concept. Okay, today let us complete this chapter. Yesterday, what is the tangent and normal? Tangent, the curve, the line is touch the curve at the point. Okay, the line is touch the curve at the point. The line is called tangent at P. The perpendicular to the tangent is called the normal at P. What is the normal slope? Tangent slope. What is the tangent slope? Tangent slope. Tangent slope is dy by dx at P. dy by dx at P. Tangent slope. Tangent slope means the given curve differentiate with respect to x at P. Okay. So, second one is normal slope. Normal slope is minus 1 by dy by dx at P, minus 1 by dy by dx at P. So, yesterday completed the concept what is the tangent slope and the normal slope, different types of problems. Find the tangent slope, find the normal slope. Okay, this is next. The equation of tangent. Next one today, let us go to the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. No, y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx into x minus x1. No. The equation of normal. The equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx. Minus 1 by dy by dx. So, this is the today topics. Yesterday already completed the tangent slope and normal slope. Today the equation of the tangent and equation of a normal. There is no difference. Okay, first of all, equation of tangent and the equation of normal. Anyone, first we have to find out dy by dx slope, dy by dx at P. Tangent equation, we want tangent equation means first of all find out the tangent slope. Normal equation, first of all find out the normal slope and go to next one. Okay, next. Find the equations of the tangent and normal. Problem number 14. Find the equations of tangent and normal. Tangent and normal to the given curves. To the given curves. Okay, the first one, y is equal to given y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube, x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0 comma 5. This is the problem. What we have to find? Equations of tangent and normal. Equations of tangent and normals. So first differentiate with respect to x. First let us go to tangent slope. Okay, dy by dx, x power 4 derivative 4x cube, x power n formula, x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1, 4x cube minus 6 into x cube derivative 3x square plus 13 into x square derivative 2x minus 10 into 1 plus 0. So that is equal to 4x cube minus 18x square plus 13 into 2, 26x minus 10 at 0 comma 5. At 0 comma 5 means what is x? X is 0, y is 5. So 4 into 0 minus 18 into 0 plus 26 into 0 minus 10. So totally minus 10. dy by dx is equal to minus 10. So next, what next? The equation of tangent. Okay, this is the slope. Next one, okay, the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, y minus y1, y minus 5 is equal to m means what? dy by dx. dy by dx value minus 10 into x minus x1, y minus 5 is equal to minus 10 into x. So minus 10 is negative, so minus 10 get into left side, 10x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the 10x plus y minus. So again the equation of normal. The equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by, what is the dy by dx? Minus 10 into x minus 0, minus minus cancel, multiply with 10, 10y minus 50 is equal to x. 10y minus 50 equal to x. So that implies x, 10 minus xy minus 15 get into, convert into x minus 10y plus 50 is equal to 0. This is the tangent equation, this is the normal. Okay, right on. Okay. Same question now. Y is equal to x cube at 0 0. Y is equal to x cube at 0 0. So differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx is equal to x cube derivative 3x square at 0 comma 0. So 3 into 0 square is equal to 0. So the equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. x1 y1, this is x1 y1, 0 0 point. Slope also 0 0. So y is equal to 0. So the equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m. This is dy by dx is nothing but m. Minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by 0 into x minus x1. So y into 0 equal to minus 1 into x. So x is equal to 0. Y minus 0 y into 0 0. So minus 1 into x minus x. Minus x equal to 0 means x is equal to 0. This one. Okay. Then try we can do it. Homework. Y is equal to x power 4. Y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 minus 10x plus 5 at 1 comma 3. Next y is equal to x square at 1 comma 1. We can try the same. Okay, up to this direct questions. Direct questions means find the equation of a tangent, find the equation of a normal, and given curve and direct point, find the tangent slope, find the normal slope. This type of direct questions, or data also, problem also direct, curve, point, direct questions. So next one is find the equation of a tangent and find the equation of normal, some different models. Next model. Okay, Find the equation of tangent to the curve. Next one, anyone. Example 20. Find the equation of a tangent. Find the equation of a tangent to the curve given by, to the curve is given by, to the curve is given by x is equal to a sin cube t, x is equal to a sin cube t, y is equal to a cos cube t, b cos cube t. This type of model also came in the parametric differentiation. In the parametric differentiation. So first of all, find the equation of tangent means first of all we have to find out tangent slope and next tangent equation. So first tangent slope. Tangent slope means what? dy by dx. Tangent slope means dy by dx. So first of all differentiate with respect to solution. Differentiate with respect to t, not with respect to x. So dx by dt is equal to a into sin cube t. Sin cube t means x cube. X cube formula, derivative of x cube 3x square. 3 sin square t into d by dx of sin t. Again dy by dt. dy by dt is equal to b into 3 cos square t. X cube derivative 3x square into d by dt of cos t. d by dt of cos t. So that is equal to 3a into sin square t, derivative of sin t, cos t. So b into 3b into cos square t, derivative of cos t equal to minus sin t. At point t is equal to pi by 2. At point t is equal to pi by 2. Okay. So dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt 3b cos square t into minus sin t by 3a sin square t into cos t. 3 cancel, 1 cos cancel, 1 sin cancel. So minus b by a into cos by sin cot t. Cot t at pi by 2. At t is equal to pi by 2. Minus b by a into cot pi by 2. Cot 90. Cot 90 is equal to cos 90 by 0. 0 by anything equal to 0. Okay, cot 90 is to 0. Cot 90 0 means what? That is equal to minus b by a into 0, that is equal to 0. Okay. So x is equal to what? X is equal to a sin cube t. What is t? T is equal to pi by 2. A into sin cube pi by 2, that is equal to a into 1 cube is equal to a. X is equal to a. Sin 90 degrees in the trigonometry table. Sin 90 is equal to 1. No. Y is equal to b cos cube t. So b into cos cube 90. So that is equal to cos 90 0. That is equal to 0. So slope 0, x a y. So last finally the equation of tangent. The equation of tangent. the equation of tangent is, what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So 0 into something 0, y minus 0, y. So finally what is the equation of tangent? Y is equal to 0. Okay, now this is the second type of problems. Okay, next one. Find the points at which the tangent to the curve. Find the points at which the find the point at which the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x square, x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x axis. Points. The second one, first model is slope of the tangent, slope of the normal. Second model is find the equation of a tangent to equation of the normal. Next, third model is find the points in which the tangent to the curve y is equal to is parallel to x axis. So any problem in the tangent and normals, any problem we have to find out. First we have to find out derivative of y. First of all, derivative of y. So given y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7, differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to x cube derivative 3x square minus 6x minus 9 plus 0. So the point which the tangent to the curve tangent of the curve, this curve tangent is parallel to x axis. Tangent to the curve is parallel to x axis. The equation of x axis, y is equal to 0. The equation of x axis, y is equal to 0. So what is the slope of the x axis? What is the angle of x-axis? The angle of x-axis and y-axis both are perpendicular to each other. Both are perpendicular. So what is the angle of x-axis? 0. What is the slope of x-axis? To slope definition tan theta. So angle of x-axis theta is equal to 0. Slope of x-axis tan 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0. So slope of x-axis 0, but parallel to x-axis slope also 0. Parallel, two lines are parallel means slopes are equal. So here what is given? So parallel to x-axis, x-axis parallel. Which one? The curve tangent. The curve tangent is the parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis. So x-axis slope 0, parallel to x-axis slope also 0. So from the data 3x square minus 6x minus 9 equal to 0. So 3 common x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. X square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So factors x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. Minus 3x plus x minus 2x. Next minus 3x into x minus 3x square. Common x minus 3 into plus 1 x minus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 comma 3. X is equal to minus 1 comma 3. What you have to find out? Finally find the points. Point is nothing but x coordinate and y coordinate. That means x value, y value. So here only x value is there. So substitute x value in the 1 from the in the 1. So we will get y value. So from 1 y is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus x square minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7 is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 1 whole square and minus 3. So plus 9 plus 7 9 plus 7 16 16 minus 4 14. Next y is equal to 3 cube minus 3 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 7 is equal to 3 cube is equal to 27. 9 into minus 27 minus 27. Next 9 into 3 27 minus 27 plus 7 is equal to minus 20. Therefore the points are first x is equal to minus 1 14. Next to 3 minus 20. Minus 1 14 3 minus 20. This is the final one. Okay. Good. Okay. Next last problem. Find the point on the curve Find the point on the curve. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5 at the tangent plus 5. At which the tangent is y is equal to x minus 11. Find the point on curve y is equal to. So solution, first of all what we have to find? Derivative. Y is equal to x cube minus 11x plus 5. Derivative with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to x cube derivative 3x square minus 11. So this is the slope. Okay. This is the tangent, this is tangent slope, and both are same, tangents both are. This is a tangent slope, this is a tangent. Next, this is taken m1. So next, now y is equal to x minus 11. So derivative with respect to x. Y derivative dy by dx equal to x derivative 1 minus 0, that is equal to 1. So this is the tangent slope. Okay. This is also tangent. Okay. But this is the tangent, this is the tangent slope. So this is the tangent to tangent derivative means slope, tangent slope. This is the tangent slope. This is dy by dx, so this is dy by dx. So both are equal. Since m1 is equal to m2, so 3x square minus 11 is equal to 1. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4. X is equal to plus or minus 2. So what is points? X is equal to plus or minus 2. So x is equal to first 2. Y is equal to anyone. Y is equal to 8, 13, 22. 8 minus 22 plus 5, 13. 9 plus 22. Okay, this is the equation number 1 from 1. So y is equal to what? 2 minus 11, that is equal to minus 9. So x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 2 minus 11 minus 30. So the points are x is equal to 2, we will get minus 9. X is equal to minus 2, we get y is equal to minus 13. We have to substitute anywhere. Y is equal to this y and this y. You can substitute anywhere, so we will get the same answer. Okay. So maximum models are completed in the tangent and normals, and tomorrow topic is this errors and approximations. Okay. Thank you. okay.